In this video, we listed the 5 best rowing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Merax Rowing Machine. The Merax water rowing machine is designed for efficient indoor cardio training with its unique inclined bucket water resistance system, setting it apart in the market. Made from alloy steel, it supports up to 330 pounds and features a sleek, durable build with a 60-degree water tank angle and 12 hydro blades for robust resistance. The rower operates quietly, mimicking real water rowing sounds, and includes a large LCD monitor for tracking workout metrics like duration, strokes, calories, distance, and heart rate. Its ergonomic design includes a 19-inch handle, contour seat, and adjustable footrest, ensuring comfort during intense workouts. Easy to store with built-in wheels, the Merax rowing machine promises both performance and convenience, backed by responsive customer service for user satisfaction. Number 2. Teeter Power 10 Rowing Machine. The Teeter Power 10 is a cutting-edge fitness machine designed to revolutionize rowing workouts with its bidirectional resistance system. It features a patented elliptical path that allows users to seamlessly transition between pull and push motions, effectively engaging multiple muscle groups including legs, back, chest, arms, and core. This low-impact elliptical motion minimizes joint stress while maximizing calorie burn and muscle activation. The rower is equipped with a 7-level magnetic resistance mechanism for smooth, quiet operation, catering to varying intensity needs during workouts. Its ergonomic design includes multi-grip handles for upper body toning, an adjustable layback for core engagement optimization, and a large ergonomic seat for enhanced comfort. A digital monitor tracks essential metrics like time, calories, distance, and pace, supporting fitness goals monitoring. Compatible with Bluetooth HR monitors and the Teeter Move app, it offers a personalized training experience with access to a variety of workout classes. Number 3. Concept 2 Rowing Machine. The Concept 2 Rowerg is a high-performance indoor rowing machine designed for effective full-body workouts with low impact. Built with a durable frame combining stainless steel and aluminum, it supports up to 500 pounds and features an air resistance mechanism for a smooth, quiet operation. Key features include an adjustable 14-inch seat height, ergonomic handle, an integrated device holder compatible with over 40 apps. The Performance Monitor 5 provides accurate workout data in pace, watts, or calories, with Bluetooth and ANT Plus connectivity for heart rate monitors and app integration. It's easily separable for storage, equipped with caster wheels for mobility, and includes a 5-year frame warranty, making it a versatile and robust choice for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 4. WaterRower Club Rowing Machine. The WaterRower Club S4 is a premium rowing machine known for its handcrafted design and durable build. Created in the mid-80s by John Duke, a U.S. national team rower, this machine features a unique water flywheel resistance mechanism that mimics the natural feel of rowing on water. Hand-built in Rhode Island using solid ash wood sourced from sustainably managed forests, it offers a smooth and quiet rowing experience. The machine measures 82 inches in length, 22 inches in width, and 20 inches in height, weighing 117 pounds. It supports a maximum weight of 700 pounds and includes a heart rate monitor and stroke rate metrics. Ideal for all fitness levels, it provides a low-impact full-body workout targeting major muscle groups. WaterRower offers a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, extendable to 3 years for parts and 5 years for the frame with registration, and emphasizes customer service through direct U.S. representation. Number 5. Mr. Right Water Rowing Machine. The Mr. Right rowing machine offers a premium fitness experience with its combination of elegant design and robust functionality. Built from aluminum and oak wood, it features a real water rowing experience that simulates outdoor rowing, enhanced by a magnetic resistance mechanism. Designed for comfort, it includes an ergonomic seat, adjustable footplates with straps, and operates quietly. The rower is equipped with a customizable Bluetooth monitor offering 3 modes for effective workout management: manual, interval custom, and target. Conveniently designed with transport wheels for easy storage, it doubles as a stylish piece of furniture when not in use. Ideal for home gyms, its sturdy build supports up to 320 pounds and measures 82 inches in length, 22 inches in width, and 20 inches in height, weighing 58.5 pounds.